He's angry, he's happy, he's this, he's that, he's trustworthy, he doesn't trust me. Stop using this common vocabulary because today I'm going to tell you such advanced English words. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn vocabulary related to personality and traits. Don't miss it out, it will be an amazing lesson so that you can snap out of your old English era and jump into this advanced English word. Let's dive into the video. The first word we have is impetuous. Remember, the T-O-U here is pronounced as Choo, like the Jimmy Choo. Impetuous means that acts on a sudden idea without thinking first. I bet you wanted some kind of word for it. You kept saying this phrase, he doesn't think before he speak, or he acts suddenly, things like that. But now you got a word for it. Thank me later. She is so impetuous. I wish she would consider things before acting. Wait, I have a word for positive way too. Next word we have impulsive. Impulsive is similar to impetuous, but it can be used in a more positive way. Impulsive generosity led him to give money to anybody who asked for help. Next word we have, I know you're gonna love this word, effusive. The S sound is there. There's no Z sound. Effusive. Effusive means to give an exaggerated expression of praise, pleasure, or gratitude. She always gives me such an effusive welcome when I visit her. Look at me and learn words. You gotta do something. Just make sentences on these words. And at the end of the video, I have also attached an exercise. You gotta solve it by yourself. Okay? The word we have in our list is pushy. Pushy means to selfishly promote your own interest or position. Next word we have taciturn. It's not taciturn, it's taciturn. We have is diffident. He is such a diffident man. He seems to have a quite low self-esteem. Next word we have is aloof. Aloof means distant, detached, or reserved in manner. Someone who is aloof tends to keep it to themselves, uninterested or uninvolved in social interactions. Ria tends to be rather aloof. I don't know if she is just shy. The next word we have is hurry. Hurry means to have an attitude of superiority or arrogance. A hurry person typically behaves as if they are better than those around them. She gave a haughty glance to the waiter as if serving her was beneath him. Next word we have is disdainful. Disdainful means showing a lack of respect or considering someone or something to be inferior. Who does not believe that others deserve respect. Next word we have is conceited. Conceited person means who is overly proud and arrogant about their own achievements, appearance, or abilities. Natasha is very conceited and self-important, but Rachel is such a modest person. Next word we have is naive. Naive means lack of experience, sophistication, or judgment. Results in a person who overly trusts someone and gets easily deceived. Describes someone who is innocent and lacks worldly wisdom. Milton is a naive person. He thinks love can solve all the world's problems. Next word we have is gullible. Gullible means who is easily tricked because of lack of critical thinking. A person is easily to trust others or to believe anyone. Telephone salespeople often take advantage of gullible people. Now the word is conscientious. Conscientious is someone who takes his work very seriously. My father was a very conscientious man. He never took time off work unless he was really sick. What we have is obstinate. It means stubbornly refusing to change opinion or actions, despite the reasons to do so. Simply one who is inflexible in their attitudes or decisions. Obstinate and pig-headed. Why don't you listen to people when they give you advice? All for today guys. I have also attached a PDF in my description, so go check it out and try to solve it on your own. Till then, see you in the next one. Bye.